I also like what Google Docs does when you click and you go to a new Google Doc. You have the option of going with a blank document or from a template. And when you go from a template, you can choose an APA template. And you'll see that here it'll have running head, colon, and then title of your paper. I like to have your last name first here, and then the page number. Then you have your cover page. You don't really need to use this part. And then you don't really need an abstract to your paper. You can start that way, and I love how this also has the hanging indent already done for you on the reference page. So you could use a template like this, or if you wanted to start fresh, you would click on New, Google Doc, Blank Document. You would title your document with your last name. And on the header, you just simply insert header, this, enter down, head, then tab over just a little bit, and you can go into insert, header and page number, go down to page number, and choose your second choice over here. Unclick this so it's the same. And that's how you get your header and your page number on there. Generally, since we're putting the rubric on, the rubric is going to be page 0 and it'll start on the first page. So it helps explain it a little bit more.